Hello, everybody. Today we are going to talk about the popularly known game of Sudoku. Sudoku consists of a 9 times 9 grid with numbers appearing in some of the squares. The objective of the puzzle is to fill the remaining squares using all the numbers ranging from 1 to 9, exactly 1 in each row, column, and the 9 3 times 3 subgrids.
After implementing in Python, this is the game. So what are the functions that the program offer? Def main function is to initialize the game window, creates the Sudoku board, handles user input using event handlings such as the keyboard and mouse events. Measures time, checks for solving correctness, and updates the game window. If we press a square with a number that was automatically set initially, nothing will also happen because you can't change the number. But if we select on any square that is empty or the number that you input, it will draw the red square around it to indicate that we have selected the square. Py.game.backspace is a function that the same as backspace button. If there's a number on the selected square on the board, it lets you delete. We use backspace to let the user to delete and put a new number if they are doubtful for their answer. Pygame.return is to enter if we enter nothing or there isn't any selected squares, it will not enter any. If we press a square and enter a number, we will enter it and display number as long as there are no same numbers on the row or column along it. If there is, it will delete the number and increase your mistake counter by 1. If board solve, if you enter the last number that is correct, it will show that we successfully complete the game, as it is equal to the generated board and stop the time by setting the game over time as the current game time. Tab is to show that if we happen to give up, we can press tab as it will show all the solutions. If board is selected and a number key is pressed while there is no value in the background, it will draw the number in gray color to indicate that it is a temporary number as you haven't not entered it. Redraw window is to draw the information aside from the board on the window. It draws per 1 title of the game in the top of the window, display the time from import time. X is to show wrong counts mistakes that you have made. Once the game underscore over variable is set to true, it will print puzzle solved if it is and stop the timer. Pygame.display update updates the window accordingly to the redrawn window. Once we exit the def main function, we get to pygame.quit that quits the window and ends the program.
The enter key, let me show you. The enter key works by checking if there is a selected board or not. Like, for example, if there is no selected square, it will not do anything. If you press enter, it will not do anything. But if there is a number, like a penciled number, it will enter the number. Otherwise, it will not do anything. Of course, it depends. Like, it needs to check first. Like, if, for example, the number is not valid, let's say there is number 9 here, number 9 here, number 9 here, it is not valid, right? Enter number 9. It will instead increase our mistake over here by 1. Let's see. So it will increase the mistake instead of entering it in the square.
We are from Team Xiangjiao, and thank you for listening to our presentation.